Nestled in the heart of Europe, the Netherlands is a beacon of cultural heritage and natural beauty, spanning an area of 41,543 square kilometers, about 16,039 square miles. This small yet influential country, known for its iconic windmills, tulip fields, and intricate canal systems, has significantly impacted the world. However, the global map holds surprises, with numerous countries and territories boasting larger areas than the Netherlands, some of which may catch you off guard. Let's embark on a geographical odyssey to explore 21 places that are unexpectedly larger than the Netherlands, each unfolding the Earth's vast diversity and challenging our preconceived notions of space and sovereignty. Our journey begins with Ireland, the Emerald Isle, where myths and legends breathe life into its lush green landscapes. Doubling the Netherlands in size, Ireland's rolling hills and historic castles offer a stark contrast to the Dutch flatlands and urban architecture. The transition from the European countryside to the Caribbean brings us to Cuba, an island nation celebrated for its vibrant culture and historic cities. As the largest island in the Caribbean, it's surprising to learn it's over twice the size of the Netherlands, challenging the perception of island nations as smaller counterparts to their continental neighbors. Venturing southward to Suriname, the smallest country in South America yet nearly 4 times larger than the Netherlands, reveals a tapestry of cultures and dense rainforests. Its size is a revelation, considering the Netherlands' historical connection as a former colonizer. The narrative of colonial history extends to Indonesia, with its sprawling archipelago stretching over 45 times the Dutch territory. The leap from Surinamese rainforests to Indonesia's diverse islands underscores the vast differences in landscapes and ecosystems that our planet offers. Sri Lanka, the pearl of the Indian Ocean, may seem modest compared to larger nations, but it still surpasses the Netherlands by 1.5 times. Its rich history and stunning beaches serve as a bridge to our next destination, the Philippines, an archipelago of over 7,000 islands that's 7 times larger and a testament to the unexpected scale some countries hold over the Netherlands. Revisiting our global discovery, we also find Jordan, a land steeped in history, where ancient ruins dot the landscape, offering a narrative more than twice the size of the Netherlands. The journey from Jordan's deserts to the Pacific brings us to New Zealand, a country of majestic landscapes and Maori culture, showcasing how expansive islands can be about 6.5 times larger. Crossing into Asia, Uzbekistan, the heart of the Silk Road, unfolds its rich culture and history, nearly 11 times the size of the Netherlands. This contrasts sharply with Benin in West Africa, whose area almost triples that of the Dutch nation, offering a rich cultural heritage from the Dahomey Kingdom. South Africa, with its rainbow nation and wildlife, is another marvel, about 30 times larger than the Netherlands, illustrating the vastness of African landscapes. Meanwhile, Portugal, with its maritime history and scenic beauty, surprises many by being more than twice the size of the Netherlands, bridging Europe's history with global exploration. Malaysia, straddling the Asian mainland and the island of Borneo, offers a mix of vibrant cities and lush rainforests, showcasing its size, which is 8 times larger. Sierra Leone, known for its stunning natural beauty in West Africa, further adds to the diverse list of countries larger than the Netherlands. Japan, an island nation known for its blend of ancient traditions and cutting-edge technology, is 9 times larger, offering a perspective on how densely populated areas balance cultural heritage with modernity. Dominican Republic, with its rich Caribbean culture and history, is larger than the Netherlands, highlighting the diversity of the Americas. As we journey further, we encounter Ecuador, nestled on the equator. With its diverse ecosystems, from the Amazon rainforest to the Galapagos Islands, Ecuador's expanse is nearly 7 times that of the Netherlands. This landscape variety is mirrored in Madagascar, the 4th largest island in the world. Its unique biodiversity makes it over 14 times larger than the Netherlands, which astonishes many considering its island status. Our exploration would only be complete with venturing into the vastness of Mongolia, a country where the sky meets endless steppes. Its terrain, nearly 38 times the size of the Netherlands, is a stark reminder of the Earth's expansive diversity. Our voyage goes further in Namibia, whose stark beauty and desert vistas are nearly 20 times larger than the Netherlands and whisper tales of awe-inspiring solitude of nature. Finally, the most surprising revelation comes from French Guiana, an overseas department of France located in South America. Despite being a part of France, its area is twice that of the Netherlands, illustrating that even territories often overlooked in global discussions can hold vast expanses of land. I hope this narrative odyssey, across continents and through the narratives of countries larger than the Netherlands, has expanded your geographical horizons and deepened your appreciation for the interconnectedness of our global community. While modest in size, the Netherlands plays a significant role on the world stage, demonstrating that physical boundaries do not confine influence and legacy. Regardless of its size, each country contributes uniquely to the world's cultural, natural, and historical richness, inviting endless exploration and discovery. Remember to subscribe and dive into our collection of videos about the Netherlands, where we celebrate its global contributions and explore the distinct Dutch way of life.